I am going to teach you to build 20,000 rupees price cheap Indian gaming PC. Let's make a cheap gaming PC worth Rs 20,000, which can run all games at 720p at medium and high settings. Also it has fantastic upgrading options. Parts to be used in this build are as follows. 1. Processor to buy. AMD A8 7600K very quad core. 3.8 GHz socket FM2 plus desktop processor. 2. Motherboard that you can use. ASUS A68K, DDR3 FM2 plus socket AMD motherboard. 3. RAM that you need is Core Source EMV4GX3 M1A1600C11 1600 MHz 4GB DDR3 memory module. 4. Storage that is ideal for gamers is WD Blue Desktop 1TB internal hard drive. 5. Power supply that is required to support such rig is Cooler Master CM350 plus 350 watts SMPS. 6. Cabinet that will look cool and handy is Deep Cool Tesseract SW Mid-Tower computer case. Other option that you can use as cabinet is Circle Gaming Cabinet CC821 without SMPS. Thanks for watching. Hope this content was helpful for you. To watch more handy contents, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Kearney Nation.